Hello guys, in this video we are gonna see Naka Weekend Market. Naka Weekend Market is located in Luang Phuket District, Phuket Island, Thailand. Naka Weekend Market is only opens on Saturday and Sunday from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Naka Weekend Market is a famous night market and most tourists visited place around the world. Naka Weekend Market is largest market in Phuket Island as well as most happening place. Naka Weekend Market offers you clothes, street food, fashion accessories, handmade products, and adorable pets. Naka Weekend Night Market have two different sections. 1. Shopping. 2. Local food stalls. Definitely, you would need 2 hours at least to enjoy the shopping and local yummy foods. You would enjoy the shopping for lesser price than outside. Bargain is most expected here. You will find hundreds of stalls for clothes, bags, watches, accessories, toys and many others. There are many streets for shopping, good part is covered by shelter. Even, rainy session or afternoon time pleasant to walk. In few shops, you can buy a specific theme printed t-shirt for lesser price. Recommended time to visit this place around 4:30 p.m. if you want to park a car. Parking will be minimal at this area, you may need to get it as much as early before crowded. For a pleasant shopping, it would be good to go around 9 p.m. to cover both dinner and shopping. We came to main section, local food stalls. Here, you get many local foods including fruits. The entire section is dedicated for street foods. You will find buttercorn, seafoods, local fruits, insects, and so many other local items. Even, they have dessert shops including bakery items. Hope you like the video and its information. Kindly do like, share, comment and subscribe for more good videos. Thank you for watching Kanaulagam Travel Guide.